Welcome back. You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. If not, check them out. As most of the time you will be using your Pg20 while you're on the road or outdoor, you'd better protect it. How? With our Pg20 protection bag. Step 1. Place it flatly on an even surface and unzip it. Step 2. Put your Pg20 inside the bag. Make sure to fit in your Pg20 tightly so all areas are covered. Step 3. Use the zipper to close the bag. The best thing is that even though your Pg20 is now fully protected, you can still fully use the extendable handle and its wheels to be truly mobile. You're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.